10 Health Benefits of Manuka Honey. What is Manuka honey? Manuka honey is a special type of honey that is produced in New Zealand and Australia by bees that pollinate the Manuka bush, Leptospermum scoparium. Unlike regular honey, which is made by bees that collect nectar and pollen from a variety of flowers, Manuka honey is made mostly from Manuka flowers, which contain unique and healing ingredients in their nectar and pollen. This makes Manuka honey stand out for its natural healing properties, as it contains a powerful active ingredient called MgO, methylglyoxal. The bees take the nectar and pollen from the Manuka flowers back to their beehive, where they produce this amazing honey. Manuka honey is highly regarded worldwide for its many health benefits and is a natural and effective remedy for various ailments. Nutrients and phytonutrients. Research has shown that Manuka honey contains 4 times more nutrients than regular honey. Its unique composition includes amino acids, which are essential building blocks for proteins, important minerals, B vitamins, and phytonutrients that come from Manuka flowers, providing a range of health benefits. If you take a look at a jar of Manuka honey in health food stores or online, you'll notice a grading number called UMF, which ranges from 1 to 20 plus. The higher the UMF rating, the more powerful the honey's antimicrobial properties are, due to the presence of healing chemicals like MgO, DHA, and leptospirin. For over 200 years, people have used raw Manuka honey as a natural medicine, and its healing capabilities are well documented today. 1. Cough and sore throat. One of the most common uses of Manuka honey is for treating sore throats and coughs. To soothe the symptoms of these conditions, you can take 1 teaspoon of raw Manuka honey 3 times a day. Studies have shown that Manuka honey has natural broad-spectrum antibiotic properties, making it effective in killing more than 50 different harmful microbes that may be causing your sore throat or cough. Due to its thick consistency, Manuka honey forms a gentle coating as it runs down your throat, helping to soothe and heal inflamed tissues. 2. Immunity. The immune system comprises natural defenses in the body that aid in fighting infections and diseases. Studies have shown that Manuka honey contains high concentrations of plant chemicals like MgO, leptospirin, galangine, and camphorol, which are effective in stimulating the production of white blood cells, specifically T cells that protect against various infections and diseases. Manuka honey is even used to treat MRSA, a type of superbug that has become resistant to antibiotic medications, as it has the ability to kill off the harmful bacteria Staphylococcus aureus that causes staph infections. 3. Gut health. I often mention how processed foods contain table sugar and HFCS, which can harm the lining of your gut and encourage the growth of harmful bacteria. In contrast, Manuka honey is sweet and has the opposite effect. Consuming a small amount of Manuka honey can actually nourish the friendly microbes in your gut, acting as a prebiotic. The fructooligosaccharides found in Manuka honey feed the good bacteria and prevent the growth of harmful ones. This is particularly helpful for people with conditions such as IBS, IBD, SIBO, and gastritis, as it restores the balance of bacteria in the gut. 4. Stomach ulcers. Ulcers in the stomach or intestines are a common problem for many people. A bad bacteria such as H. pylori can overgrow and damage the protective mucus layer in your digestive tract, causing ulcers to form and pain to occur. However, Manuka honey can help by destroying H. pylori and other harmful bacteria, as well as directly healing the ulcers and restoring the lining of the digestive tract. For those with ulcers, the Japanese supplement zinc carnosine is also highly effective when used in conjunction with Manuka honey. 5. Wound healing. Manuka honey has been approved by the FDA as a treatment for bed sores, wounds, and ulcers, and it comes in the form of a dressing. You can apply the honey gently to cuts, scrapes, sores, and wounds using a cotton swab, and then cover it with a gauze bandage. Because of the powerful plant compounds it contains, this natural antiseptic helps to prevent skin infections and promote skin healing. 6. Skin problems. Manuka honey is renowned for its ability to alleviate the symptoms of skin conditions such as acne, pimples, and eczema. To treat pimples or acne, you can mix the honey with a few drops of tea tree oil, apply it to the affected area, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wash it off. For eczema, you can mix the honey with a small amount of shea butter and apply it to your skin, leaving it for 1 to 2 hours before washing it off. This mixture helps to reduce inflammation and rehydrate the skin. 7. Swollen eyelids, blepharitis. The glands near the eyelashes can become infected, resulting in reddened, irritated, crusty and itchy outer eyelids. Although doctors often prescribe antibiotic creams to treat this, they may not be effective in some cases. To alleviate the symptoms, a small amount of Manuka honey can be mixed with 1 cup of boiling water, left to cool completely, and gently applied to the sore eyelids 2 to 3 times per day until the swelling subsides and the infection clears. 8. Dental health. Refined sugar can be detrimental to oral health since it can lead to dental issues such as tooth decay, gingivitis, periodontal disease, and dental plaque by causing acidity in the mouth. In contrast, Manuka honey is a natural antibacterial agent that can help prevent these dental problems. Hence, it is commonly used in lozenges and chews to promote oral health, reduce plaque buildup, and alleviate gum bleeding. 9. Allergies. Manuka honey is a popular natural solution for reducing the symptoms of allergies, such as hay fever, by regulating histamine release and modulating the immune system. Its anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic properties make it effective at reducing sensitivity to irritants like pollen and fungus that may trigger allergic reactions. For individuals with hay fever, consuming regular raw honey, which is more affordable than Manuka honey, once or twice a week throughout the year can help your immune cells become accustomed to pollen in your system, ultimately reducing the allergic response. 10. Stress and sleep. Experiencing stress triggers the release of high levels of adrenal hormones, which can provide energy and cause a jittery feeling. While this is fine in short bursts, prolonged periods of stress can cause hormonal imbalances and sleep disturbances. Fortunately, Manuka honey contains aromatic compounds from Manuka flowers that have a calming effect on the body. By consuming Manuka honey, you may feel more relaxed and have a better quality of sleep, resulting in a more calm and energized state without the tension associated with stress. 11. How to use Manuka honey. To help you understand the different types of Manuka honey and its usage, here are some important points to keep in mind. Firstly, ensure that the label of the jar clearly mentions a minimum of 10 UMF, unique Manuka factor, rating. Don't be misled by brands that put MgO content instead of UMF. Look for UMF for strength, and the higher the UMF, the more potent it is in its healing properties. Secondly, make sure to buy raw and unpasteurized honey, as heating and cooking will destroy its beneficial properties. It's also important to note that Manuka honey originates in New Zealand, where the UMF grading system is implemented. For high UMF ratings above 15, use only 1 teaspoon at a time, as it's incredibly powerful. For lower UMF ratings, such as 4 to 9, It's an excellent maintenance level honey, while 10-15 plus is more suitable for healing. When using Manuka honey for natural healing, the dosage is generally between 1 to 3 teaspoons per day, which can be consumed directly off the spoon or added to cooled herbal tea, yogurt, fruit, or water with some apple cider vinegar. One of the recommended ways to consume Manuka honey is to add it to ginger and lemon water, which is an excellent healing tonic. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.